Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2020 Scout 235 XSF. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's full 23-foot 8-inch overall, 8-foot 6-inch beam. Weight with engine is around 4,200 pounds, and you have a fuel capacity of 100 gallons. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the Mercury V8 300. You also have the nice faux teak on the swim platform, very spacious, recessed swim ladder. As we step up into the cockpit, you've got a live well, you've got a seat that folds out of the way when you're fishing. You also have large scuppers on each side to drain the cockpit. Under each gunnel, you've got rod storage, bolsters that run all the way up. Up at the helm station, you've got rod holders, flip down bolsters, Garmin chart plotter, Mercury vessel view, Lenco trim tabs, Fusion stereo, digital throttle, of course Mercury legendary power steering. 12-volt inputs up here, nice glass enclosure with your hardtop. As we make our way forward, you have a very spacious console with a pump out head there. Moving up to the bow area, the great thing on center consoles across the board now is seat backs for the bow seating area. Also have cup holders all the way around. You also have a nice trunk for storage that drains as well. Great place to get all your dock lines, fenders, extra gear out of the way. Again, big bow seating, JL audio speakers all the way forward. You have your anchor locker. Everything's below deck, nice and clean. You have pop-up cleats all around the boat on each side, port and starboard, as well as cup holders and rod holders in the bow. Well, that's a quick walkthrough of our 2020 Scout 235 XSF. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. And check us out on Facebook at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.